tank is finally complete.
And to see if I can do this, I went out and got a bunch of supplies. I first went out and got this 50-gallon tank. These shrimps are a medium size, so this should be perfect. Since these shrimps like very cold water, I went on Amazon to order a water chiller. This certain one can bring the water down to a brisk 50 degrees to mimic their actual environment. And although these shrimps are very sensitive to water parameters, it was important to get a big canister filter like this one. Now, deep in the ocean, there's always current and water movement, so to replicate that, I got 2 wavemakers, which will create a lot of current in our tank. Now that we have everything ready, I went to the canal to get some substrate. Alright guys, I'm gonna collect some mud. This mud contains lots of nutrients and beneficial bacteria to help cycle the tank. I collected about 2 buckets of mud. We gotta bring it home now. I then spread it around thoroughly to get a nice even layer. Now I also got the sand from the beach to layer on top of the mud. Doing this protects the mud from the water so it doesn't get all murky inside of my tank. At this point everything is set up perfectly, so it was time to add a little bit of water that I got from my canal. I then filled the tank up all the way. I added a bunch of snails and clams inside of the tank. These guys will basically just help with waste removal.
Alright guys, the tank is finally complete.